Ever walked into a home that feels different? Not because it's big, not because it's modern, but because it feels pure, peaceful, like the walls themselves are breathing calm. That's what it's like inside an Amish home. No fancy tools, no electric gadgets, yet every inch shines. Why? What's their secret? Today, we open the door to a world where cleaning isn't just a chore, it's a way of life. Welcome to the hidden rhythm of Amish Spotless homes. Simple, honest, beautiful. 1. The Amish way of simplicity. You walk into an Amish home, and something feels different. The air, the light, the quiet calm. It's not luxury that catches your eye, it's balance. Every corner looks cared for. Every object has a reason to exist. The Amish don't fill their homes with unnecessary things. They keep what's useful, what's meaningful, and nothing more. A chair isn't just decoration, it's for sitting. A basket isn't just pretty, it stores something real. This simplicity isn't poverty, it's clarity. They believe clutter clutters the soul too. When things pile up, peace fades away. So they keep it light, clean, breathing, and that's why their homes shine without needing a single expensive gadget or trendy cleaner. 2. Daily cleaning routines that never fail. Every day starts the same way. Early, quiet, focused. While the world hits snooze, Amish families begin their day with order. Someone sweeps the porch. Someone else wipes the table. Beds are made before breakfast. The sound of a broom on wooden floors, the scent of soap in water. It's almost like a morning prayer. They don't let dirt wait. They don't let chaos build. One small task at a time, they keep balance. Even kids join in, not as punishment, as pride. They grow up knowing cleaning isn't her job or his job. It's everyone's. And by the time the day ends, the house feels lighter, fresh. It's not spotless by accident. It's habit, a rhythm, a quiet kind of discipline that never really stops. 3. Natural cleaning materials from the land. No fancy brands, no harsh scents, just simple things. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon, soap made by hand, lye and fat stirred slow over fire. Amish women mix cleaners like old alchemists, turning nature into purity. Vinegar kills bacteria. Lemon lifts stains. Baking soda brings brightness back to metal and fabric. These ingredients come cheap, but work hard. You'll never find a neon bottle under an Amish sink. They clean with things the earth gives freely. It's healthier, kinder. The house smells like the outdoors after rain. Sharp, clean, honest. There's no waste, no chemical fog. Just truth. It's not about saving money. It's about staying pure. About not letting poison touch their homes or their hands. 4. Weekly, deep cleaning traditions. Some days go deeper. You can hear it from the yard, the hum of effort. Friday, maybe, the air smells like soap and sunshine. Floors get scrubbed till they shine. Windows washed until they disappear. Rugs go outside, beaten clean with wooden sticks, dust flying like memories. Children laugh, helping learning. Deep cleaning is almost an event. It prepares the home for rest, for Sabbath. It's not just about dirt, it's about respect. A clean home honors the family, honors God. Every corner gets attention. Every surface feels cared for. They don't rush it. They move slow, steady, thoughtful. By sunset, everything glows. The kind of clean you can feel when you walk through the door. That's the Amish way. 5. A culture of organization and order. Amish homes don't fight chaos. They prevent it. There's a place for everything, and everything knows its place. You won't find piles of paper, tangled cords, or forgotten corners. They build storage that fits their lives. Wooden shelves, small drawers, woven baskets. Every nail, every hook has purpose. And when you finish using something, you put it right back. Not later. Now, this order feels peaceful, even healing. They believe when your surroundings are neat, your mind follows. You think clearer. You breathe deeper. Their organization isn't strict, it's spiritual. Because when your home runs smoothly, life feels lighter. It's quiet power, the kind you don't brag about. You just live it. 6. Handmade furniture built for function. Their furniture tells stories. Made by hand, with care and patience. No nails out of place, no extra decoration. Just function shaped into beauty. A bench that holds tools during the week, then people on Sunday. A trunk that stores winter clothes, yet serves as a table too. They design everything to work hard. There's no wasted space, no useless corner. Furniture doesn't just sit, it serves. That's why Amish homes look organized without trying. Their surroundings are practical, not performative. Built to last a lifetime, sometimes two. A home full of honest wood and soft edges. No plastic shine, no show-off luxury. Just purpose carved into every line. 7. Respect for time and work. To the Amish, cleaning isn't a chore. It's a conversation with life itself. They move through their tasks with rhythm, not rush. A wet cloth on a table isn't just wiping, it's care. They see beauty in effort, dignity in small things. While modern life pushes for shortcuts, they take the long way. The honest way. It's slower, yes, but cleaner. They say if you respect your home respects you back. Each act of cleaning feels sacred. Not perfect, just sincere. That's their secret. They don't just clean their homes. They tend to them. They give time, and time gives peace in return. 8. The role of community and shared responsibility. No one in an Amish home stands alone. Work is shared, always. If someone falls sick, neighbors show up with hands and heart. They sweep, cook, help the children. Cleaning isn't shame, it's connection. During gatherings or barn raisings, women scrub kitchens, men clear spaces, kids run around carrying towels and smiles. Everyone contributes. That's how they live, together. Even inside the home, chores rotate naturally. A mother cooks, a daughter folds, a son carries water. There's no complaining, no waiting, because it's not about who does it, it's about why. Keeping a clean home is keeping harmony. Community keeps both alive. 9. Seasonal cleaning and decluttering. The Amish don't let the year slip quietly. Each season brings a reset. When spring arrives, windows open wide. Curtains washed, walls scrubbed, sunlight floods in. In fall, the barns get swept, chimneys cleared, food preserved. Winter means tightening, storing, preparing. They don't let dirt or disorder roll over into the next chapter. Old things are reused, repaired, or given away. They don't cling to stuff, they let it go. There's freedom in that. Each season feels fresh, uncluttered, purposeful. The rhythm of cleaning matches the rhythm of life. Constantly moving, constantly renewing. That's how their homes never lose their calm. 10. Cleanliness as a reflection of faith and character. For the Amish, cleanliness is close to godliness. It's not just a saying, it's a truth they live. A clean home shows gratitude for blessings received. It's respect made visible. They see dirt not as shame, but as a test, a reminder to care. When they polish a table or sweep a step, they're not showing off. They're giving thanks. Cleanliness becomes a reflection of character. Humble, honest, grounded. To live in a clean home is to live in order with the world. That's the hidden beauty behind Amish Spotless homes. It's not perfection, it's peace. Quiet, steady, unshakable peace born from hands that never stop caring. Maybe it's not about having the latest vacuum or the trendiest cleaner. Maybe it's about the small things we do every day. The habits, the respect, the quiet care that builds peace one sweep at a time. The Amish have lived this truth for generations. And maybe, That's the real secret we've been missing. So next time you clean, slow down. Breathe. Feel the space you're creating. Because a clean home isn't just made, it's lived in. This is Rustic Pantry, where we uncover timeless ways of simple, peaceful living. Until next time, keep it calm, keep it clean, keep it rustic.